That is Chad Smith in the 82. Outside of Chad Smith in the 42, that is Adam Cartwright. Inside the next row, the number 99 of Justin Sellers. Outside of Justin Sellers, the 5 of Derek Dobbs. Rounding out the field, the number 91 of Greg Pruitt, and the number 8 doing double duty, that is John Reynolds Jr., driver X. We are going racing this time around. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Oh, Memley off the pace. Something happened to Memley on that start, but we're still going green.
Hey, race fans, you need to stay away from the fence line. Please report to your seats. Race fans that are along the fence line, please report to your seats. Thank you.
As we got Memley having all kinds of problems in that 3 car right off the get-go. Looks like if he's going to get us, nope, he's not going to get us started back up. We've got our first caution of the evening by the Raw Steel Restart Collision Center.
Yeah, it'll be our 4th caution flag here tonight. First caution for the Sportsman here tonight.
As the car corner pace car ducks on down, we're going to do this again. A beautiful field of 16 Sportsmen. As they're going to wind them up.
All bottled in.
They come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing! Yellow flag, it looks like it was an ugly restart. I don't know if Trevor went way to the inside in that 99 or what happened, but it definitely wasn't a pretty one.
Yeah, it was Trevor in that 76 Chevy Monte Carlo. He's had 2 top 5s this year. Trying to get a good start on this one.
Eric, didn't we say he's a mailman? Maybe he's thinking it's a Saturday delivery and he's thinking about mail there. I don't know. But he's got Kevin Memley right behind him who definitely would love to take advantage of that there as we're going to wind him up and try it again.
Get them all bottled in.
Bumper to bumper, door handle, here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
That one looks a lot better. As Trevor Robinson out front, watch out for that 78 of John Featherston. And then that 11T of Josh Thiering creeping in there for the top 3.
Everybody looks good coming out of turn 4. Next lap of the feature.
Uh-oh, trouble with Howie.
Whoa! Oh! Josh Lundy! Howie Ware! Oh no!
Yeah, that 36 of Howie Ware, he had some trouble coming in the stretch over here and getting into turns 1. And him and that one-man racing team of Josh Lundy, the Gremlin, those two having all kinds of problems in turn 1 and 2.
Yeah, Howie Ware currently the points leader in the Bargain Hunter Sportsman division. Definitely not what he wanted to have happen tonight. And the one-man racing crew, Josh Lundy, doing it all by himself in that green and black number 11. Definitely not wanting to have a night like this as well. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, please stay away from the fence. Please back away from the fence for your safety. Remember to make sure to check your seats that you're sitting in the right seat. As John Featherston is going to bring them around this time with Trevor Robinson right there. As they're going to pick up speed. Let's cheer them out, audience. They come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
Stay green as Featherston in that 78 car out front early on that high side, but watch out for the Trevor Robinson in that 99 on the low side. 21 of Houseward out there as well.
Got a great battle between Houseward, Robinson. Here comes Cartwright. Memley hanging on the outside. Definitely likes the outside a lot better than the inside, but here comes Johnny Robinson, currently 3rd in the point standings, looking to the inside of Adam Cartwright.
But how about John Featherston, 78 car of Loves, Park, Illinois, leading the pack.
As they're side by side for 2nd, for 4th. Bumper to bumper, door handle to the oil, caution out as 91 of Greg Pruitt. No, it's not. No, it's not. We're still racing.
Yeah, the Greg Pruitt from Rockford, Illinois had to duck inside. They'll still go green, but how about that 78 machine of John Featherston? Out front, making it look easy as everybody's bottled in the back.
He's definitely got dialed in, trying to do everything he can to pull away. As Johnny Robinson currently sitting in 3rd, looking to make his move on the inside of Cartwright. Here comes Schinderling to the inside as well.
Housewort was trying to hold him off in that 21, but here comes Robinson, and there's a pair of them on the low side. Couple of 99ers, Trevor and Johnny. Watch out for that 42 of Adam Cartwright. Those are your top 5 right now. Schinderling and that 68 just out running outside the 5.
Kevin Memley a little bit off the pace, having trouble with the pace. little swirly out there. He drops to the back in that number 3 car.
Featherston still out front. Houseward and Trevor in a battle. Cartwright there. Johnny Robinson there. And Josh Thiering trying to make an interesting deal with 3 wide. Him and Schinderlin trying to get around the Robinson pack with Chad Smith in that 82 creeping in.
Chad Smith and Josh Thiering make contact there as Josh looks like he got maybe just a little loose coming out of turn 2 on that inside.
Bumper to bumper, they all went through turns 3 and 4, but in the long run, it's the 78 of John Featherston out front and a whole lot of trouble behind him as Cody Houseward in the 21 trying to fend off a pair of Robinsons along with Cartwright and Schinderlin along with Smith and Thiering, all in the points, all right there.
John Featherston definitely not hoping for a caution as he's going to try to pull away as much as he can. Cody Houseward definitely hoping for a caution to try to catch up to him.
And that 42 of Adam Cartwright.
And there's the caution right there.
You asked for it, and you got it. Thiering and Robinson, Johnny Robinson and Josh Thiering having some troubles in turn 1 and 2.
And John Featherston's worst nightmare just came true.
Here goes the car corner pace car ducking under.
So what's going to happen here, ladies and gentlemen? Adam Cartwright went to the inside. Chad Smith did who? Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
Featherston in that 78 where he was before out front. 21 of Cody Houseward right there, but that 42 of Adam Cartwright working that inside and working it hard.
Cody got his wish as they had a restart. Let's see if Cody can do something about it and run down John Featherston. We've got some sparks coming off either the 99 or 82 car. Wasn't sure who that was coming around.
Yeah, they could have been Trevor Robinson in that 99 car, but look at that 82 of Chad Smith. He's up there with Rich Schinderling right behind him. Featherston in that 78 car still out front. He just looks fast here tonight as he's starting to pull away a little bit as Cartwright and Houseward with a little bit of battle with the 2.
He definitely figured out something here from last week to this week because he is running really good tonight. As the caution comes out, Kevin Memely, number 3, doing a spit out with a little bit of smoke. Kevin Memely having all kinds of handling issues tonight in that number 3, that Dale Earnhardt looking throwback number 3, just a red car instead of a black car. Hopefully, and Rhonda Daling, as the pace car ducks out, we are going to continue racing here as the Bargain Hunter Sportsmen get ready to go green flag racing.
On the 12 car for the Sportsman.
Come, green flag, and we're racing.
78 car, John Featherston out front. Cody Houseward right there with Adam Cartwright in that 42.
Featherston definitely got the horsepower tonight. He is pulling away from the field again. Does somebody have something for him?
Nobody has anything for him. They're all in his weight. That 21, the 42, the 82, and the 99. Watch out for those pair of Robinsons that work their way up.
Cartwright trying to look to the inside of Houseward. Here comes Chad Smith. Are they going to go 3 wide? Whoa, Cartwright goes to the outside. He's loose. Hang on to it, Rock Adam Cartwright.
He's had a good night here tonight. Driving the 7 machine earlier.
I believe that's Battle of the Luminas between Chad Smith and Adam Cartwright. Yes, it is. Heavy Luminas, Eric. Haven't seen those since the 90s.
Yeah, and that 82 of Chad Smith, second in the points. They talked about this driver being hot coming into the last 3 races as the 42 of Cartwright got sideways going into 3 and 4.
He does a dirt track move and hangs on to it.
That's how you start to slide and can control it. And there's a little bit of trouble with the 82 car of Chad Smith, him and the 99 of Mr. Robinson. But it's Featherston in that 78 still out front. Cartwright in second, Smith in third. Then we have Johnny Robinson in 4th, Cody Houseward in 5th. Watch out for Schinderling in that 68 car. He's working it as well. Along with the 99 of Trevor Robinson, the 2 out front is that 78 car of John Featherston, who got a little squirrely in the 1 and 2. And we'll see if that 42 of Adam Cartwright can slowly catch him. As the 82 of Chad Smith is right there in the top 3. Watch out for Mr. Johnny Robinson in the spot there. Houseward rounding off your top 5, and the 21 is Trevor Robinson in the 99 having some problems as Rich Schinderling's coming up on him. Schinderling is losing that bumper. It's kind of like hanging on in the 68 as the caution goes on. Yeah, Rich Schinderling having all kinds of problems out in the front of his 68 machine. That 2000 As the car corner pace car will duck in, Bargain Hunter Sportsman will approach the raw steel restart zone in turns 3 and 4. And we're green flag racing. Here goes the Sportsman, and it's that 78 car of John Featherston out front, but it's at 82 of Chad Smith right on that low side. 42 car of Adam Cartwright right there, right behind Featherston in the top 3. Johnny Robinson in the 99 for the 4th spot. The 21 of Cody Houseworth rounding off your top 5. Can John Featherston in that 78 car hold off the 82 of Chad Smith, who's second in the point? And then there's Johnny Robinson trying to duck down low. Him and Chad Smith get a little squirrely as Robinson still going wiggly along the back stretch and into turns 3 and 4. It's Featherston and Smith in the battle for first. It's been Featherston all day, and now it's an 82 car of Chad Smith, second in the points, hot car the last 3 weeks. They'll come to the white flag with 1 to go. It's currently Featherston. Can he hold off Smith for first? Cartwright in third. Johnny Robinson fourth. Josh Deering in the 11 is the 5th car as they're going to come around the turn to the finish. Who is it? They're giving it to John Featherston in the 78 car. The 82 of Chad Smith is second. The 42 of Adam Cartwright is third. The 99R of Johnny Robinson fourth. And the 11 car, 11T of Josh Deering will round off your top 5. But that 78 car of John Featherston.
Ladies and gentlemen, with this first ever feature win. My God, I didn't know who was going to win that. Chad Smith was making a run. This guy was amazing all night. He put on one heck of a show for you, ladies and gentlemen. Please give it up. Featherston. John, oh my God. Come on over. I keep going in and out on my mic. I got to stay. There's like one bad spot and one good spot. First of all, you worked up a sweat. You drove your rear end off. My God, Chad Smith right there. You just had the car tonight. Please tell us about it.
Oh, it was there this time. Oh, it was a long race. I didn't know. I wasn't sure if Chad was going to get me, but I wasn't going to let him get it.
John, earlier this year, the car hadn't been right, just some handling, had luck, had wrecked it earlier. You came out here and you just looked easy. Congratulations. Do you have any sponsors or crew you want to thank?
Sponsors, Byron Auto Body, Meticulous Transmission. Crew, I got to really thank my dad. He does a lot of the help with this. Sean, Doug Bennett, my mom, my wife Andrea, my kids, and anyone else I might have missed right now.
John, congrats once again for your first ever feature win. I'm glad I could for your moment. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, John Featherston. Wow.